coffee made.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new video. So for my today's video, I have decided to make all my meals throughout these 24 hours of the day by myself and then only have it. I mean, right from preparing my morning coffee till my very dinner, I'm gonna be making each and everything by myself, each and every meal by myself, and then I'll have it. Also my lunch and my dinner, both of those meals I'm gonna be making for my parents as well. I mean, all three of us in the house. So yeah, I just wanted to do some very wholesome food related video, and I thought this would be a great idea if I cook everything by myself and then record a video out of it for you guys. So I really hope you would enjoy this video. If you're a person who really loves watching such wholesome food related video, you would definitely enjoy watching it. So yeah, please keep on watching. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 7:45 in the morning and I woke up an hour ago almost. I have been just laying in my bed tab se and scrolling on my YouTube. I've been just watching random YouTube videos and I have had my water, lots of water, and now I'm just gonna head downstairs and make myself some coffee because that is the first thing I consume in the morning. If you are a person who has been watching me for the longest, you would know that after waking up in the morning and having lots of water, I just consume my coffee first and then only I go ahead with the rest of the day, because otherwise I don't have the energy to deal with anything. So abhi I'm gonna go downstairs, make my coffee, have my coffee, and then also read my book alongside. So that is what we're gonna do now. Hi guys, I'm back here again. It's currently 10:15 a.m. right now and I'm having my coconut water as you just saw because I'm really starving. In 5 minutes I'm gonna be preparing my breakfast, in which I'm gonna have my yogurt bowl, and in my yogurt bowl I am gonna put like some Epigamia ka yogurt. I do have two, like one plain one and one flavored one as well. I think it's some raspberry or something, if I'm not wrong, the purple one. So I'll see what do I feel like putting in, and I'll just put it in the bowl and then add some dry fruits, some banana, some peanut butter, and that would be my really healthy filling breakfast for the day. And also in this meantime, I got done with my reading. I read a lot of my book today. I was really happy reading it. It's a really warm read. And I also cleaned my kitchen a lot. Like, it was very dusty, so I dusted, I wiped all the surfaces and basically cleaned it, put things in place because everything was lying everywhere in the house, and folded my clothes as well, put them back in the cupboard. I also edited my video that I will post tonight, so be ready, be excited for that. And yes, I'm just gonna prepare my breakfast now and finish having this first.
Guys, good morning. French vanilla coffee made itself. It has flavor and sugar in it. This is one room and
Guys, this this has turned out really yummy and really filling. I'm really enjoying having it while watching some Malvika Sitlani. I'm really obsessed with her vlogs for a while. I've been watching quite a many of those. So I'm enjoying some Malvika Sitlani right now, and this thing is 10 on 10. I'm just loving it and having it. Hi guys, I'm back. It's 12:20 p.m. right now. Yes, and I have taken my bath. I'm feeling all fresh, all clean, not looking homeless anymore. I'm really feeling super cleansed. So now I have to prepare my lunch, but before starting to prepare that, I have to unpack this little package over here. I just received it 5 minutes back, and I know what's inside. It's actually this very classic black and red checkered printed apron and oven mitts ka set. I have gotten this from Amazon. I was having this in my wish list for a really long time, and I really wanted to place an order and have it, because on days when I bake something in my microwave, in my oven, I feel like just having it because मेरे पास नहीं था अभी तक. And the last time I got one from Myntra, I think the print was like really off, so I just ended up returning it. But this is just super cute. I just always find these red and black checkered things really cute and classic, so I've gotten this. And here's this apron as well, so I thought might as well just use it today while making our lunch, and it would just make me feel even better doing my stuff, like preparing my lunch. So this is very okayish quality, I would say. Like, it's really okayish quality, but I'm finding it's cute looking, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. I don't have any problem with the material or anything. Also for the lunch, I have decided to go on very Indian desi. I'll be preparing very Indian meal. I'm gonna prepare some yellow dal, some cabbage aloo, that is patta gobi, some roti from the scratch. I mean, I'll be making the dough and then making the rotis as well, and then we'll have it all with the side of cucumbers and some buttermilk agar ghar pe hoga to, and some papad even. So this is going to be a really wholesome Indian meal, and I'm really dreading to start preparing it because everything's gonna be really tiring. But at the end of the day, I have to do it because I've really committed to doing it. I've already told my mother कि आज मैं खाना बनाने वाली हूँ, so they are already expecting something nice and yummy on their plates, like me, like my mother and my father. So yeah, that's all what's gonna happen now, and yes, let's just begin. done with my lunch, guys. I am supremely tired. It's around 3 p.m. right now, and I just got upstairs doing my dishes, my vessels, everything. My food was really good, I would say. My rotis were fine. My dal was super yum. Trust me, it was super yum, although it had turned out a little thick because मैंने पानी कम डाला था, but taste wise it was so good. And then पत्ता गोभी की सब्जी I anyway do not like having, but still I don't know why I decided to experiment. So it was some 6 on 10, and overall my meal was like good, okayish, homely, warm lunch wala meal. And now I have to make my thumbnail for the video that I'm going to upload tonight, so I'll take some 10 minutes, good 10 minutes to do that. And after that I I don't know what, I'm not even able to speak. I desperately need my afternoon ka nap. I'm gonna sleep for like good 60 minutes, at least an hour or so. And yes, that's what I'm doing for the afternoon. And after that, I'll meet you in the evening. Hi guys, it's currently 6:30 p.m. in the evening and I'm back. I am not at all feeling like eating anything. Also, by my face, I think it's looking as if I just woke up from my nap, but no, it's been already 1 to 1.5 hours that I've woken up, and I was wasting my time over this new thing that I'm about to show you super soon in a minute. But before that, let me tell you, I'm not at all feeling like eating anything. My tummy is already heavy from the afternoon lunch, and I don't know, it's paining as well a little. I don't know for what bad reason. It's just paining. It's really troubling me. I'm not guessing or anything, but it's just paining and I don't know the reason behind. So that's that. But I'm also feeling like having a little very chutput evening snack. So I remembered I have this popcorn ka packet that my brother-in-law, ignore the stupid fly, that my brother-in-law got me months back, and वो तब से मेरे kitchen में पड़ा हुआ है, and I was feeling really guilty कि वो तब से वहाँ पड़ा है and I haven't used it. So I thought let me just pop that into the microwave and 2-3 minutes में वो बन के ready हो जाएगा. Hi guys, it's 7:30 p.m. in the evening and it's dinner time. So I have this little kit from Daawat. It's biryani kit, Hyderabadi biryani kit from Amazon. Again, my sister sent over. So she got this first for herself and she made it. She tried it out and she said it turned out really yummy, delicious, fulfilling. So she sent 2 packs home as well, like घर पे भेजा हम लोगों को try कराने के लिए. So this is what I'm gonna be preparing for the dinner. While I was planning this video and the dinner for this day, I was really excited to make the biryani and show you people, but right now I'm really tired and I'm really not feeling it inside me to prepare more of food and just cook and stuff. But I do not have an option. I have to cook and show you people how this actually turns out. So this is what we're gonna begin with now. so I just got done having my dinner, and let me give you my final thoughts about that biryani kit. It was really yum. It really turned out so yummy. I really enjoyed having it. My parents even loved it as well. The only thing that got off, I would say, is that in the instruction manual it was given that you have to add 1 liter of water and then you have to cook your rice into it. That was really too much. Like, my rice definitely got overcooked. I will definitely agree to that, but the biryani tasted so good. The authentic biryani, you know, Hyderabadi veg biryani kinda. And yes, that's all for this vlog, guys. I would definitely recommend you guys go ahead and try that biryani out for yourself. For the first time it might go a little bad, but if you try it out for one more time, like the second time, I will definitely make it for the second time as well, because I do have another packet lying in my kitchen as well. Like, my sister sent over 2 packs of the same thing. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I really hope you love this wholesome day of me cooking everything by myself and having by myself. And yes, if you like the vlog video, do let me know in the comments down below. Do like the video, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.